Hey there. Ready to use your points at checkout like a digital currency? Pay with points at online retailers lets you instantly cover part or all of your purchase. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. First, you must enroll your eligible Amex card in the Pay with Points program. It's usually a quick toggle in your reward settings. Then, when shopping at participating online retailers, like Amazon, Best Buy, or directly with airlines, look for the American Express checkout option. At checkout, you'll see an option to use points. You can choose to cover the entire balance or just a portion, with the remainder charged to your card. My crucial pro tip? The value is often lower than travel transfers. You'll typically get around 0.5 to 0.7 cents per point in value. Use this for small, convenient redemptions, but save the bulk of your points for higher value travel transfers for bigger rewards. That's instant gratification, turning points into purchases with a single click. Do you use Pay with Points for small items, or do you save all your points for travel? Let me know in the comments. If practical spending guides help you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.